guys, it's Shannon with PSToyReviews, and as you're probably aware, Paul and I were recently at Toy Fair in New York City, and we got to tour the Hasbro showroom. So we just wanted to show you some of the cool new toys coming out this year by Hasbro. As you can see right here, these are some of the Play-Doh town toys, which are already in stores, but there's lots of fun things coming up this year. I love this giant tower of Play-Doh they made. It was really awesome. Alright, now check out the Little Kingdom stuff. You guys know I have been loving this on our channel. I think we've purchased every single thing made so far. And there are so many cool new sets coming out this year. Wait until you see some of these. Okay, now look at this for real, friends. This is Torch My Blazing Dragon. He was absolutely amazing. We have a little video clip here showing some of the things he does. Unfortunately, it was really loud in the showroom, so we had to mute this clip, but he is just so cool, guys. We are definitely going to be picking him up. I mean, look at him. Amazing. Alright, and then here is some of the Disney Princess dolls. Now, a lot of these are already out in stores, but they just recently came out, and I'm really loving them. They're really pretty. The faces are realistic to the movies, which I really enjoy. There's another new princess coming out this year. This is Elena of Avalor. And we have another new movie coming out, Disney Moana. Alright, here are some of the Potato Head items. I love Mr. Potato Head, and they're coming out with really cool sets where you can mix and match both big potato heads and the smaller potato heads together and make really fun creations. And then of course there's the licensed things like Star Wars and all the superheroes. And check out the Transformers. Now, the Disney Descendants line Some of your favorite characters are coming back, and some new characters are being introduced as well, along with a really cool set. I love this one, the Neon Lights ball. These dolls look really pretty. And you just have to love the wall of Littlest Pet Shops. This was about 1.5 times as tall as Paul and I. It was totally cool. I love how they put them all in kind of color order, and it was really neat. Also, there are so many neat Littlest Pet Shop things coming up this year, including more blind bag series, so you know we'll be picking those up. Alright, and now we move into My Little Pony. Seriously, the My Little Pony area was overwhelming. They had so many cool new things, from the regular size figures to the minifigures to the Equestria Girls minis and the Equestria Girl regular dolls. I am really excited for all this new My Little Pony stuff. Check out some of these cool toys. Look at this Spike the Dragon. It is so awesome, guys. It's really big and really cool. Okay, and this has to be my favorite My Little Pony thing coming out. It is a whole world themed around fall and harvest. They're wearing costumes and they're getting candy, and the figures were just so cute, and I'm gonna buy every single one, I'm pretty sure. You guys have to let me know down in the comments what you think of these new My Little Ponies coming out. Alright, and we're going to move on to the Equestria Girls minis. There are some new characters coming out, which I'm really glad to see, and some of our favorite characters coming out in new outfits with new accessories, and even a boy Equestria Girl mini, which is really, really awesome. Now we move into Transformers and some of the other cool superhero toys coming out this year. Paul was very excited for this part of the Hasbro showroom.
These giant combiner characters.
Okay, so that's Manosaur and
this is Victoria. So she is a new
female,
and she's entirely fan-built. Fans voted on every aspect of her backstory, her special abilities, everything that makes her up. So she'll be out this May, and then this July we'll have some new digital content from our partners at Shannon.
Wow.
And that'll wrap up the combiner reviews.
Okay.
And that'll take us to part 2, which is Titans Return.
Okay.
The story here is these giant titans, the ancient warriors, the size of cities have awoken, and they can only be controlled by our little Titan master. So these guys convert from robot mode into head mode, and these heads are transferable throughout the line. And so when they attach to another robot, they bring whatever special skills and powers they have, be it super speed, strength, firepower, to that bigger robot. And that works all the way up the line to our Titan Master, that's Fortress Maximus.
Okay.
His head comes off to be a Super Titan Master. He converts into a robot of his own. And his head is also a Titan Master on his own. Yep. So you can see those levels there. Fortress Maximus has lights and sound. He is one of our biggest convertible transformers we've ever created. He transforms into this that you see. And you can see it really builds out the whole world. We have 6 different classes of figures. This is our leader class. This converts from robot to vehicle, as well as battle station mode. So these battle stations attach to Fort Max here, so you can really build out this world of Titan monsters. This story will play out across the animation as well as our comic book series.
These new Hero Masters are really cool too. Look at that pumpkin head. So you can get these and you can mix and match and create your own custom characters like they're shown right here. And I just think that is really neat. And I love the snowman head right there. Really, really cool. And then here's the whole line, of course, of the superheroes in the micro size and the regular size. And you're going to be able to mix and match and create your own custom characters. This is really, really fun. going to finish out the video here with some of the awesome superhero figures that are coming out. There's Thor, totally awesome. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you want to see these cool new toys being shown in person, make sure to subscribe to PS Toy Reviews so you don't miss out. We'll be showing most of these toys on our channel just as soon as we're able to get them. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this edition of the Hasbro Showroom from Toy Fair. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.
We are really excited because we get so many comments about Trash Pack,
Yes.
but Trash Pack aren't sold in stores anymore.
They're not, unless you can find them sometimes still at a discount store, like a closeout store.
Yep.
But that's pretty hard to find.
Yeah, but we actually had these sitting downstairs in our pile of toys, and we decided we want to do a Trash Pack video real quick for you guys.